put it on like this. So if you know you don't know how to wash, my friend, learn before you travel. Because you don't know the work that you can get there to do. So here we don't do office work. You can get it, but it's not easy for you to get office work here in Dubai. So my guy, learn how to wash. Hello guys, welcome to this today vlog. Get ready with me and let's go to this journey together. Today I am here to show you one of two things. So guys, make sure you hang around so that you go to this journey together. So today I have a good news for you guys. What is the good news? The good news is that some of you are looking for a job. You understand? If you want to travel, you know, we have some specific job that it is available so that you can get easily. You know, sometimes some job that you can get when you travel. Because now I am here in Dubai. Let me use a Dubai for example. If you want to travel to Dubai and you want to find a job, it's not that as a traveler you are going to get office job to do. The job that it is easy for you to get, some is stewarding. You know, steward, like someone who wash dishes. So guys, that is how it is. So make sure I will take you guys to where I work. You understand? Because today's video I want to be a steward. That is the job that I want to do for you guys to see how the stewarding look like, because some of you don't know how to wash dishes. So be with me and let's go and wash these dishes together. You will not travel to go and get office job. You will not travel to go and get like someone who is taking care of things. So you have to find a restaurant job to do here in Dubai or every part of the world. You know, as a stewarding, it is an easy job that you can find. So guys, make sure you hang around so that we can send you to the place that I'm going to do the stewarding on today's video. And if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe, like and comment, and don't forget to share this amazing vlog. So guys, be with me and let's go together. So that is how it is.
From London to Taiwan.
And guys, you know one thing is that if you want to travel, you have to be a hard worker. Guys, what is the meaning of the hard worker? Don't travel and just do yourself like you were a billionaire daughter or you were a billionaire son. You know, if you know you are a billionaire son, there is no need for you guy to travel. So guys, if you go to a different country, make sure you be a hard guy, because as a traveler, always any job at all that you will get, you have to do it. You know, some people are not respecting the dirty job, but the dirty job makes money. So if you want to make money, any job that you get when you travel, don't ignore it. You have to accept the job that you will get. Because some of you said, if I'm traveling, I have to use my certificate. The certificate is, sorry to say, it is nothing when you travel. But when you are in your country, it is something for you. So guys, let's go. And let me go and show you how I wash things here in Dubai. This job, you can find it anywhere, in any country that you will go. But in Dubai, the easier job that you can get here in Dubai, it is restaurant job. Either you will be a steward, either you will be a waiter, either you will be a food runner. So guys, today video, I am coming to do a steward. So let's go and wash these dishes together. That is how it is. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe, like and comment, because the subscribing is very important, so that anytime I will release a video, you will get notified. The important thing is that you have to hit the notification bell for more videos, and the like button. Please make sure you like this amazing vlog for me, so that I can it can reach out to so many people, so that it can encourage me for me to do more videos for you guys. So guys, let's go.
From London to Taiwan, I've been all around the globe.
You know how it is if you want to be a steward here in Dubai. That is how we work here, because that is the easier work that you can do here in Dubai. So guys, let me show you one or two things, because some of you want to come to Dubai but they don't know the work that they are coming to do here in Dubai. So this is the easier work that you can find here in Dubai. So let's go and wash together. So when you bring your things, there's my things, I have my sponge and other stuff. So I have to clean. You understand? So after you clean this one, we have some machine here. You put it in like this. So if you know you don't know how to wash, my friend, learn before you travel, because you don't know the work that you can get there to do. So here we don't do office work. You can get it, but it's not easy for you to get office work here in Dubai. So my guy, learn how to wash. Now, I am a steward. So this is how I'm going to do every day when I come to work. So if you come, you too, that is how you can do here in Dubai. No matter how you are, maybe if you have finished university, you finish SHS, like any senior school that you have went, you cannot come and get office work. Here's the work that we do. So guys, you see this one, there's something inside, you throw it in the garbage bin, like that, so that it will be clean. After that, you come and wash it. So, and anytime if you are washing a plate, you have to be careful so that some of the plate will not break. Because if the plate break, you can get fined. You can cut your salary. So I don't want anybody to cut my salary. So I have to do a good job. You understand? But this one that you are seeing, this is a machine. But the machine has some small issue. They did not connect it. So if the machine is working, after I do everything, I just put it in the machine and I close it and I on it, so that the machine can wash it by itself, so that any chemicals or any bacteria that it is inside the plate, it will kill it. You understand? So let us watch this plate together, because always you have to be careful so that some of the plate will not break. So this is how it is, guys. Don't think about you are from a rich neighborhood or a rich home. When you travel, you can do any work. You understand? So I don't think I go to university, SHS, so I have to go and do office work. No. Forget about those things before you travel. And you have to be hard guy. You have to be hard worker. But here they don't like lazy guy. Because this work that you are seeing right now, you see that it is easy, but it is not easy, boy. Because when you come at night shift, after you finish everything, you're supposed to clean the floor. You understand? You're supposed to clean the floor. You're supposed to wipe all the chillers. You're supposed to do, like, you have to clean everything that is inside the kitchen. That is your job as a steward. So make sure you watch this amazing vlog up to the end. So stay tuned and watch how I do this job. Come closer. This one is washing, right? After you clean the floor, it's not only washing that you do, so don't put it in your mind, because sometimes too, the chef can call you to come and do some certain things inside the kitchen. It's not only washing. So put it in your mind if you want to travel. It's not only Dubai that you can find a job. You can find it in America, you can find it in Germany, you can find it in Italy, you can find it in Spain. You can find it in every part of the world that you visit. So hang around. Let's see how it will end. And you know, this side too, they don't put knife in this side because of your safety. Because if they put knife here, it can cut your hand. So always chefs don't put knife here. Sometimes they wash the knife themselves. Yes. Maybe sometimes when they are very busy, that one they can give it to you, but they will put it in somewhere that it cannot help you. You understand? So let us keep on going. That is your steward of the day.
Yo. Sorry?
So guys, after you finish washing, you know, this is the plate, so you don't supposed to leave the plate here. You have to send the plate inside the kitchen, so that, but you have to wipe, right? You use tissue. So that you can wipe it nice.
Wipe it nicely, eh?
Okay, chef. Sorry, chef. I'll
Don't do any lazy work, eh?
Okay, chef. Okay. So that is my head chef that you are seeing, right? That is the head chef in the morning. So after you clean it, you just go and do another job. So that's how it is. So this one you clean the bowl so that you can send it down, so that when they make the dirt, they just put the plate inside. When the customers finish eating, they just, you know, when you are doing it, you are cleaning here so that here be clean. Because we don't want dirty here. So because if you make dirt here and by the idea come here, it will be problem. So always you have to make sure the place is very clean. So that I'll continue my washing, guys. So that is how it is. That is the soap. We put water inside so that you can get the bubbles. So you use the bubbles to wash. You understand? So that is how it is. So I continue my washing. That is how we do it here in Dubai or everywhere you go. Because this job is there. In some of the places, that's the job that can get you a lot of money. People don't respect the job. Respect any job that you get, bro. Sis. And don't say, oh, if I do this job, people will not respect me. No, forget about people and do your job, my friend. Because this is what can get you money. You understand? Because you are not doing it for free. So it will get you money, bro. If you travel, don't care about what people will say, bro. If you care about what people will say, you cannot do what you're supposed to do. A good job so that your chef cannot shout at you. You see how my chef shout at me? It's not that if the chef shout at you, you become angry. No. As a traveler, we don't fight. We don't do unnecessary things. You understand? Sometimes you can be angry, but it is a normal thing. Your angriness don't mean that you have to go and fight or you have to go and do what you're not supposed to do. Because if you fight at a working site, you can lose your job. So to maintain your job, you have to work hard so that you can move forward. So guys, keep on watching up to the end so that you see how it will be changed. Because I want to show you how everything goes here, you know, come from. So after you finish, now the machine is not working, so the thing is dry. So I will take it like this. When I take this, I guess this one, that is the frying pan. So you have to find a position to put this frying pan. So this is where you have to hang. Chef, this one, where should I hang this one?
Same side, sir.
Ah, okay.
Don't do any little work.
Okay, chef. So I have to hang it. You understand? So that's the size. And this one is big. So we have to find it.
When you finish, you need to brush the floor, eh? Okay, sir.
Okay, I'll do it, chef. So after I finish that one, I have to find a position to put everything. Come and see this. You see? Now the place is very clean. You're not supposed to leave everything here. No, we don't do it like that here. Because it's not allowed. So this one, I have to find a place to put. Yeah, let me put this one here. Because this one is so that's how. So that if your chef comes, he cannot find anything to say. See you guys. So, That's how it is. So let us keep on working. Only working, work. No joking. That's how it is. But any small bits, I just. This is a side plate. That one we don't keep it in there. We send it down for the floor so that we can use it to serve customers. Yeah. So that's how it is. So guys, after that, you know, my floor is dirty. So I have to make sure I wash the floor. So I have to find water so that I can wash the floor. Let me get, I have something. I have to find water. I have to clear the floor. Oh, you're not supposed to leave things dirty here, so that the guy is supposed to be clean. Very quick. Okay, so I am fetching my water that I can use to clear the floor, so that here will be clean. So watch what I am doing. If you are planning to travel to Dubai or anywhere else, not only Dubai. Or if you know how to do all these things, it is opportunity for you to be a worker as a cleaner, as a everything, as a steward, as a everything. You know, this is my move, but it's not good, but I'll manage it. So just wash the mop like this. After we put it here, you know, some people don't know how to use this one, so you just put it there like this. After that, I'll use this one to squeeze it so that all the water that it is inside will come out. I still putting water is, I use my hand so that all the water can come out, so that I can clean it nicely. Yeah. So that's how it is. So I'll start here from this side to clean the floor, make the floor nice. So I do this also. For some people, when they are cleaning, they clean like this and then they are going home. The place will be dirty again, so we have to clean it this way. I like it. So that when you are going, you are cleaning. So that the other part will be nice.
The holder?
But you have the pin shaver.
So that is how it is, guys. You have to know how to do all these things. If you don't know how to do it, bro, when you come, you will suffer. Because some people always come when they don't know anything, how to do anything. They don't know how to clean, they don't know how to sweep.
Well, what the brand?
But you have to know how to do all these things, guys. You understand? It's So guys, see how the place looks like. The place is very nice now. The place is very clean. So guys, if you finish this one, it's not that you have finished your job. You have to clean all the chillers, you know, see the chillers. At least find something to do so that the job will be easier for you. Because here, we don't stand here. At least you have to find something to do. So guys, let's go. So now, I just find a job for myself, because don't wait for the chef to tell you that you should clean the place, because always this place is supposed to be clean. Yeah, just find something to do, bro. You know, at night, if you come at night shift, bro, you're supposed to clean all these things when you close at night. So you have to learn all these things that I am doing, bro, so that you cannot get any issue. Because maybe if you want to come to Dubai or you want to travel to any part of the world, you have to learn these things. When you go, they ask you that what you know. You can mention that you know how to do stewarding. So this video will help you for it to be easier way for you guys. So you know all these ones are there. You have to clean. Don't just clean it anyhow, my brother. Make it nice. It'll be easy. That's how we work in the kitchen. So guys, I think you have learned something from this amazing vlog. So this will be the end of this amazing video. You know how it is. So chef, please come and check if everything is fine.
Yeah, good job, man.
Okay, thank you, chef. Hey, Chef Martin, please come and check for me. This is my head chefs here, so I have to let them check if everything is okay. So come and say something.
Well done.
Okay.
This is how the job is.
Okay, thank you.
You do it anyhow, alas.
Okay. So guys, this is my head chef. So he said I'll do a perfect job. So this will be the end of this video. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe, like and comment, and don't forget to share this amazing vlog to your loved one. See you guys on the next episode. Ciao.